Want to reset your iPad but can't find a way? Or require your Apple ID password? Resetting your iPad without a password can be a challenge, but after watching this video, there's nothing to worry about. Now let's dive in. If you know the screen passcode, you can reset your iPad directly in Settings. First, go to Settings, tap General, then scroll to the bottom and tap Transfer or Reset iPad, then tap Erase all content in Settings. You will be asked to enter the screen password. After enter it, your iPad will then begin resetting. Once complete, your iPad will restart, allowing you to reactivate and begin using it. For iPads running iPadOS 15.2 and later, you can erase your iPad directly from the iPad to restore it to factory settings. Before proceeding, please remember that this method requires two things. Your iPad must be logged into your Apple ID and connected to the internet before locking. Step 1. After entering your incorrect passcode multiple times, the Unable to Access iPad screen will appear. Step 2. Tap Erase iPad. Step 3. Your iPad will ask you to enter your Apple ID password. Enter your password and the erase process will begin automatically. If your iPad is running iPadOS 15.2 or earlier, or you're not logged into your Apple ID, you won't be able to use the above method. You'll definitely need a quick and easy way to reset your iPad without a password. Any Unlock is a good option. It's a powerful tool that helps you unlock your Apple account in just a few simple steps. Whether you forgot your iPad passcode or need to reset a second-hand iPad without an Apple ID, Any Unlock can easily solve the problem. Step 1. Launch Any Unlock on your PC/Mac and select Unlock Screen from the interface. Step 2. Connect your iPad to your PC/Mac using a USB cable and click Start Now. Step 3. Click Download to get the firmware for your iPad model. Step 4. Then click Unlock Now to reset your locked iPad. Step 5. Any Unlock will start the screen unlocking process, which will take several minutes. Do not unplug your device. That's all. No matter you are looking for a way on how to restore iPad without Apple ID or password, you can refer to the above methods and choose a suitable one. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. See you next time.